Charlie Boy, the area father, the Oduribaba one of Africa. Yes, the spiritual one, the king of boys, the president of all frustrated Nigerians. Yes, no time to waste time. I go straight to the subject matter. Today's topic, now mismatch, which is synonymous with the Rishi. Yeah. Yes, I go all those wait on the of my people for a long time with their retrogressive social economic policies. This government of this contraption, not a hear word, but by fire by force, they must hear us and they must hear word. I say instead of the lives of the common man, so they go forward. Now backslide, they already agitated, widely castigated, castrated, subjugated populist life they go. So today, I not go sorry for them, I not go messy them, I must to pepper them, I go wire them, I go blaster them. Oh yeah, then they throw atomic bomb, they throw atomic bomb, boom, they bomb us, they bomb them. Then no one leave them with an anthem of hope. I say for donkey years, you know they handsome. All the things when these bastards them they do, you know they gladsome. They want to scare my people out of their pants like phantom. Then they do them like willy. Now so they like ghosts. They post them from pillar. They make my people, they go from pillar to post. Anytime when it be like say, my people life won't sweet small. Now so they go come, remove the goalpost. They go change the goalpost. Now they don't remove the standard size goalpost. They can replace them with monkey post. During the time where all these goats won't do election, where we won't cast our vote. Now so they come, they toast us. But their aim not to, after they enter power, not to roast us and make our life toast. To fiakwa. Now so it's supposed to be. Nevertheless, nothing spoiled. Are they kada? Are they gallant? I say the youth, they sleep. Not only they sleep, they sleep on top of bicycle. That is why their future, they gradually sleep away. That is what we call Oturubeke. Double tragedy, double wahala. The youths are static. That is why the uru tactics of the politicians, they catch them like mugu. Every day na new thriller that they perform. Nothing. These brutes, then they fight the masses on top their rights. Then go come on national television, they miscapol. Haba, quarry. Sorry, rest in pieces. I not come here for bubu yaya talk. I come for reality talk to blast all these useless non-entities. All those entities, when they put my people for a long time for subjugation and they relegate them to nothing. Yes, now all those good for nothing politicians, they don't play this contraption, enter relegation zone, indeed the red zone. But we our Mumut don't do movement. We not go stand by. They look, make them they shook, chuku, they shook hand inside our eyes. Imagine. Then they give themselves jumbo wage. But then place us on a slave wage. Imagine. Slave trade don't pass now. But due to their draconian economic policies, they don't borrow this Niger area, enter debt. In a few years, they don't borrow trillions upon trillions, all on top of our heads. They don't turn my people to suffer heads. And the money no reach. Even person go walk from dawn to dusk, from morning to night. The money dust go full on him body, but the money no go reach to buy or to eat better wakis. Real matters now they tell us so. If you not wise up, you better wise up and rise up. Black life matters. White life matters too. Even Chinko life matters. But make I tell you now, Nigerian life matters. So make una join me. Make we march.